Dua Abu Hamza Sumali. O my Allah, protect me from being disciplined through your wrath and shield me from your divine plan, lest I, in my ignorance, mistake your punishment for mercy, only to realize the truth on the day of judgment and be left in utter regret. O Allah, where can I seek goodness when all goodness comes only from you? And where can I find salvation when true salvation lies solely in your grace and mercy? The truth is, neither the righteous can do without your help and kindness, nor can the defiant escape your power and dominion. Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah. I have known you only through you. It is you who guided me to yourself and you who invited me toward your presence. Had it not been for you, I would never have known who you are. All praise belongs to Allah. Whenever I call upon Him, He answers me, even though I often hesitate when He calls upon me. All praise belongs to Allah. Whenever I ask of Him, He grants me, even though whenever He asks of me, I withhold and show miserliness. All praise belongs to Allah. Whenever I am in need, I call upon Him. Whenever I seek solitude to confide in Him, I find Him near, fulfilling my needs without any intermediary or intercessor. All praise belongs to Allah, whom alone I call upon. For if I were to call upon anyone else, my plea would go unheard. All praise belongs to Allah, in whom alone I place my hopes, for if I were to hope in anyone else, my hopes would be shattered. All praise belongs to Allah, who granted me the honor of relying upon Him and did not abandon me to be humiliated by depending on others. All praise belongs to Allah, who showers me with love and affection, despite being completely self-sufficient and in no need of me. All praise belongs to Allah, who treats me with such kindness and patience as if I had never sinned. That is why my Lord is the most beloved to me and the one most deserving of my endless